Welcome to this Fantastica Class balcony cabin on board the MSC Divina, built in 2015. We're on deck 12 of 17 at the aft of the ship. As you enter the cabin, on the left is the keycard slot to activate the electrics in the room, and at the other side of the bathroom door is the all-important aircon controls, which we found to be very effective throughout our cruise. Opposite, there's a spacious two-door wardrobe with ample room to hang long dresses and suits. Next to the wardrobe are two deep shelves, a medium-sized safe, and 6 good-sized drawers, perfect for storing t-shirts, underwear, and other clothes. We found the bed very comfortable during our cruise, with a good night's sleep throughout. A twin bed option is available, just ask your cabin steward. At each side of the bed are 2 drawers, a reading lamp, and controls for the cabin lights. And at the foot of the bed is a massive full-length mirror, and to the left is a smaller mirror too, above the desk. These are the only sockets in the whole cabin, 2 American and 2 European, and a rather redundant Ethernet plug too. The minibar items are listed here and still have to be paid for even if you have a drinks package. However, some evenings we did take some water out of the minibar and simply replaced it the next morning before there was a chance for it to be charged during cleaning. Above the minibar is an adequately sized TV and a handy shelf at the top for any quick grab items. And in the desk itself are 2 drawers, one featuring a built-in hairdryer. We found the sofa to be extremely comfortable, with a sturdy table perfect for room service food deliveries. Moving into the bathroom, we found it to be spotlessly clean and felt brand new, with plenty of room to manoeuvre. 3 cupboard doors open up under the sink, providing loads of storage. And the 3 glass shelves to the left of the sink were great for keeping frequently used items such as razors and aftershave. Speaking of razors, there is a built-in American and European plug above the mirror on the ceiling. And yes, the shower comes with an actual door rather than a curtain. And this one is brilliant in that the 2 separate doors push inwards to give even more space when moving about in the bathroom itself. We also have a retractable clothesline within the shower and hooks on the back of the door. We chose an aft-facing cabin at no extra cost when booking the cruise, and this turned out to be one of the biggest balconies we've had in this class of MSC cabin. We joined the cruise here in Naples after the ship had had a sea day, so the glass was still a bit dirty with salt water, although these were cleaned the very next day. The balcony features 2 upright chairs and a small table or footstool. To be honest, with a balcony as big as this, we were disappointed not to have had some reclining chairs. We'd also chosen a corner cabin, meaning we could poke our heads around the side to get even more spectacular views during the cruise. And the real benefit of an aft-facing cabin is to look out at the wake of the ship, sailing away here from Civitavecchia. Overall, MSC Divina did not disappoint, and we would definitely book a cabin like this again. For more sights of the ship, check out our full ship venue tour, or if you want to see what we got up to, watch our 2-part cruise vlogs. Thanks for watching. I'm Adam.
And I'm Rick.
And we swapped the 9 to 5 for life afloat
and adventures on the move.
From Britain's canals to Europe's last train ferry, we're here to prove that slow travel is anything but boring.
Every Friday we post a new adventure. From life aboard our narrowboat.
Queuing at water points can be a tense time actually, and flare-ups do happen.
To overland and oversea journeys that challenge the way most people travel.
At least we're at the right at the back of the boat.
What about falling in?
Fair enough. It is huge.
If If you've ever dreamed of breaking away from the routine and living life differently, you're in the right place.
I think we have a yacht now, yeah.
Hit subscribe and join us.